Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Westlake Financial customer service. So firstly, open any of the web browser. At the top there is address bar. You need to type down Westlake Financial and enter it. And over here, you need to select this Westlake Careers here in the top. And once inside this home page, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. And from here, you can find this contact us here in the bottom. Select that. And once inside this contact us, you need to scroll a bit down here. From here, you can simply scroll a bit down and you can find this number here for the auto loans or Westlake Visa credit card. You can contact to this number here as well. And before contacting the support, make sure you have your account information ready for verification and never share your password or security codes. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.